Fantastic morning, busia, and a rainy day, a wakra. So tall by Bia on crane. Until the Bia will be our shemmy as in soon tall hodia and about the being so to be a more femino. Now, wash on ye at the Amaya, Sansa, warrior and viewer, your cherish ye pa. Your pese abribi outran kwamna okan viewers ne ho bring na ya mwakwa ba Mortar Guinness can one open and some now no matter the occasion Mortar Guinness na make for the amount said remember asia dwome a na Mortar Guinness so bi be sha kra na o man Mortar Guinness a won say ase mudu the Mortar Guinness ya nyasam get fa kra ba bia or hospital kra Mortar Guinness san say eno na ekse no mu na omunyedu na de pane na wo so, we no madro betman no Mortar Guinness and san one madro. Just no matter the occasion and Mortar Guinness. Some can want to pay na yet I would even some brel or bedroom so. Kijuana Cassani, Eric Cassia, Buedi, Sergio Manager Bernard Paddy Boucher, and producers. Yes, now Yabesha see and Paso friendly games. I would also be in preparation have the Copa America and of course the Euros. A 10 friendly match back when right Basso fantasy Machina cry near there, but Yanko Pimo. Na yenhwe Euro minutes that na Euros no chassis or Germany yehwe Euro minutes when towns are ebe host the various group stage games now yenhwe senior cities no here and Hamburg host be Berlin, Leipzig and Kassenkenschen and Dortmund, Cologne, Düsseldorf, Stuttgart, Frankfurt and Munich we ne countries and as a Pokra cities are ebe host the various games Germany. Temperature live commentary Asempa 94.7 FM ni Adom 106.3 FM. Now if you want to copy more and for more na ye kwa akwohwe the Ghana amputtee team ekutumi kobo adwuma the amputtee Africa Cup of Nations ni mo a trophy na esi so no one more na eje na ex-president and the flag bearer for the NDC or John Dramani Mahama donated $10,000 at the team no say mo mabodwuma sika we munye na mafa nteka kakra e wodwuma dia makokobo sa tournament na se no
we currently are doing because the last time the Black Stars won the African Cup was in 1981 and the other teams have gone ahead to win. The women have won before trophies. You have also won and other sports have won. So we must not only focus on just the senior national team. I agree that we should continue to fund the senior national team to attain trophies for us, but at the same time we should also invest in teams like yours so that you can continue to make Ghana proud. Before you traveled, there was an effort to meet me to see how I could support in my own little way like I've been doing, but unfortunately I had traveled. But it didn't deter you, you still went, and I hear...
Right, and so I know the ex-president John Dramani Mahama, the two Brano this cano Eshel Monsemo. Now, you got people saying for 70 Fienra, now outstanding game back, ye Edifio, the Ghanaian Premier League, the Dreams FC and the RTU, and the PM. So before the game, now but to just RTU for say Sika 70 identity match, don't want to me, but actually, I was so meeting about on BPM. Yeah, boy, we are. Say na a dear now what team sheet is so. Say RTU they born against Dreams FC no mu nyina ma bi enti say goalkeeper ebia Lawrence Atizigi say Atizigi na ma no onipa no dem na dey Atizigi atoti nipa na e ka sa omo bo RTU no a omo afu say be 3 months na dey ekoni ntwi omo kan to mu nyina ma mu otamale na team no dey odi enim na kofa division 2 fo etena base mu e na ode omo be bo Dreams dey omo dey omo ni ma bo bum sham 81 ti nipa na o take na ba ko de ma RTU no one night to ni so na take no Ofie usana ni phone bele say hey congratulations no say congratulations man go bi o mete ya say na kwa ba ko so ye changes ni ndi ba me bo ni sia sana mana ba bo ni mu no ono so e wotamale wa ma bi tinna no hwan mo na ye yi o ma free mu di o ma some way to the Ghana Football Association a charge RTU and her letter that screen yes so a charge so ma breach section 34 clause 6D of the GFA disciplinary code 2019 abra womo de amo ani chire mu wo the Theatre of Dreams and Dreams FC de pem so na de kakakọ no de panifo chere se womo sheda and omo DCV the match officials and official players and panifo a omo di match na je na players here unregistered players They say more until the 15th of June 2024. Somebody responded to the charges at the Ghana Football Association at the Adom. Eti ana to the bia enema bu ho wa hwa beka se entumi see that but atumi asi anya sam keto akra. So Dreams FC and one more esekomo a file protest against RTU, but Dreams don't know what 8. You know, what 8 and or they go file protest, but the Ghana Football Association at Watum as a Kwambia so RTU may you monument men you manwa or my son able to me ayashi. I don't know someone so AC at here or animal. Now I am Morta Guinness. I'm okay hona yade I can see bread will be so Morta Guinness makacho no matter the occasion. Morta Guinness do akajem when I be here now away to other stories. Just one group of companies at the PM student in the second edition of the Just One Olympics. Now to say yes, you Olympics when it not just one for Jagger money I say but ni na mo maybe I want mo pexekne kakra. Omankasa home baba chichi mo or Eric and as well anum or members of the planning committee or joining me in the studio or be kan wasem kakra at the achire yen we are for mama kwaba. Yes, my home say mo montare na efe e bo so Just One Olympic Games. I can't Just One Olympic Games e dia dia na ben e baso.
Okay. Okay, see, you can't Just One Olympic Games are in Shishaya Impenyumfua or Just One group of companies. Say maybe I know May Day I the celebrity Ejumai4. But I was Just One group in the whole of the month of May. Yeah, from 1st May to the end of May.
Okay.
Now you're climaxing with a lot of sporting activities where you say workers no ne omo money omo nua no money obi biara omo kom ho bia omo mama I mean omo ni ji wo wiase no omo fo mo mbra na yen nyina yen si akan na yen fa agodie na yen fa hu ye enti Just One Olympics na na say ye de celebrity employees na ya mo adwumadin omo aye e de ama the Just One group of companies enti Olympics ne de ebeba so on the coming Saturday, that is 15th of this very month June. The Lagos Sports Stadium. We are starting at exactly 10 a.m. The baby say Obia be drew ho na ye de agudi ni nyina ahyehyehye so. Okay.
Let me say ati enyuma kwa what Just One asene omo yes agudi. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, Saturday na eba so. But games ben sana eba so.
Games in the also, but before make games na some kakra medical kra so the minia also kaya no. So kaya or chemu say for the month of May a month I celebrating employees. So celebrating employees are and yes what bania freeway now so why are the money or cottonase and yeah no kwaya and near my baby exercise more sports and intino Olympics na and any DH but you started and yeah maybe to say ya share ya medical screening ya back to school you tell me they share your file so near there you can fascinate for near cover your insurance for near there updated Debbie but it sounds me that way near sports in the but yeah near my baby a trese ye nuku ye employees ho adwuma no baby aba bedru ye employees na dia aba bedru ho enti I appreciate your employees and I said your kan no dwumadie no enya sports na aba be no nko ana say ye ba be compete amongst ourselves ye be compete ni collaborate ni aye group no kese na affect Ghana nyina enya ye so mfa so but ye ne sa no maybe anim say Saturdays there for social gathering ana de bia na ye book ye Saturdays no ye nim say ye ma no so ana bra ye brain nyina ye ne ko mo ho nti ye ma no so e ka ho bi ene ma ye nyina de bia ye bia ye de ma e ka ho ye de o ma ko excursion ni ade nyina but me that way de omuso ma mehwe yen na ye hu agodi aye di because omuso ye ko mu school no mu ye games na de kokohwe but we de obi e ba o de ne ba e ba ana de na Olympics no competition ni de staff na ye but event na nkasa ni de ye tunsa afro bibia because o hwe baby aye na Lagos Sports Stadium obeshoma apart from the national teams you know obi ani ho even the clubs Asante Kotoko House of Folk obi ani ho wetimi abobo ewo Lagos Sports Stadium the very first where any national team e be di juma wo ho nti e say go for pay ni be hwe jumadi e be course wo ho na
any football pay other games
yeah nti ubu say no let me say this you wo 90 kg 100 meters omo over 90 kg no be ginem no mabo and say your management penalty shootouts your 4 by 100 your 4 by 4 your 400 meters athletics need the ebebre your tag of peace your I'm wrestling and near my be apart from the football no, but I say anytime be a football na you know but I think the all African games nature you say you for new athletics so and no be boy and no be very more exciting for me obi amra no imagine the very last one no e be 4x100 no ho na be say change baton no about one be full so be home record be call into adwumade a ebe ma ye ni ajepa. But
you keep saying so obiamra is it free? You do one way we
yeah, free. The only thing is that don't say sometimes so you maybe say obehwe na sabi ni pabonefo bi ade ho aba be frem ye be screen ni bibia enti obi oba na so no yeah ni agro kwa wa sojafo ni ade a omo stadium enu di juma ene ye ni omo nyina di nkoma Saturday they will all be at the stadium.
But what are the prices? So now just for fun, more gym and that.
No,
prices be brave.
Okay.
Trophies ni wo high be ma your medal side be ma. And I was surprise packages say be ma. You be send o ba na wo do obetro udin na wo dia to a draw mu ye be hwili ye fa udin a ye wo gift a ye be ma. And see inyama bebre be koso wo ho se na be ya obi ani beje. Ye wi so aduane ni nsuo so wo ho. Ye di say ye be hia mu saa na ye che wo saa na wo se ni pedi. Ha enti ya ye hyehyɛ nse be ya oba ho a pese obekɔ obetena ho na ye wie bibia na ye nyina ya gie ni Saturday ebe yi.
Wow. They just won Olympics and Baso Legon eti ampa na edwa obi afra ni nche ho na enye de by my last words and sana yakono de na mpese mo de ka homa ahwefo hu say ebe ma di ayesronko.
Okay. Adia ebe de di pefi amamanfo hu say cancel the employer of choice and they just spawn group of companies and they say said edi kan ye no ye di djuma so bebre e de aboa kan ye employees abom but we say no so e ade a ye be compete ni aka bom ba hwefo mra me hu say abribia enye say wo sorry anopa na odimika na akɔhye wadwuma mu ukɔhye adwuma mu anajo na waba na emom enema bebre ho a ye de ma ya yonkofa ene enema bebre no so ekoso e wa ya brabo ye be hwɛ ya pomudin na ye hwɛ de ma be ma ye ni aka said ya many house work kan no ye in such a way that oba umpo me pese obede obesa call back obefri na obesa ye say anti this next year na next month so obesa bi nti ade emrem se kroma ye hye say my employees energy.
Wow. Right. I see also not the BB.
Yeah, na make say because adwumayfo na ye ntini ya ye ambulance arrangement so e ba ne say ebi obi na we did this na afi de ya bro so ambulance o ha obehwe na bibia be koye bibia be.
Right. Thank you so much. Name as very cano and of course as well just for Olympics this Saturday in show Legon Sejom na yemfa empim so obviously Sergio Manocho ne Bernard Paribo twa me producers ohumi just for Olympics na say no afre me me so me ba to na afre me say me shall line ne ade o ye be share ne ade eti ye better san opa kan ho Malta Guinness ken ho no pay na ye de Jumadi na bro Rebna Jan and your birthday Bernard Paribo twa me producer say yemfa ma hey padi Rebna Jan hey happy birthday. So I told you always wish your birthday. Kejwana Kasani Erica Siri Bwedi. Apomodi unsam ne de twaso bedwam so. Bye bye.